Welcome back, camping enthusiasts. In this video, we're going to be checking out the best hunting bows for beginners that you can buy today. The best hunting bow varies depending on your budget and expectations. We understand some people want the best hunting bow that's out there, while others want the best hunting bow for the money. Our team of camping experts have spent hours researching and testing hunting bows. These are listed in order based on performance, quality, and price, and there is an option for every type of camper. So if you're looking for the best hunting bows for beginners, we'll have the product for you in this list. We've included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which are in your budget range. Now, let's get on with the video. The fifth product on our list is the XGeek Compound Bow. The XGeek Compound Bow is a wonderful choice as it is made using an aluminum bow riser. This is an entry-level bow that is durable and sturdy. It is an adjustable bow that features adjustable draw weight and length. The draw length of the bow varies from 19 inches to 30 inches, while the draw weight ranges from 10 pounds to 70 pounds. A great feature of the hunting bow is its speed. The maximum speed it offers is 320 feet per second. The brace height is 7 inches and the axle-to-axle length is 28 inches. In addition, the let-off of the bow is 80%. This hunting bow is solidly built and has smooth action. When it comes to setting it up, it is simple and convenient. This is perfect for all entry-level archers or hunters as it comes with all the accessories you need. Weighing about 3.31 pounds, this compound bow is compact and portable. You can easily move around with it without putting any stress on your shoulders. It is a wonderful bow that comes with a 2-year warranty, so you can have peace of mind that you are not investing in a low-quality product. And at number 4 is the Bear Archery Rant Compound Bow. While this is probably marketed as a beginner's bow, it would probably be more accurately classified as a discount bow for the expert archer bowsmith who loves having to maintain their bow closely and often. I discovered that the hole into which this bowstring guide bar is inserted is misaligned, and so in order to prevent dangerous fraying, you must only insert the string guide bar through the first of 2 holes, which reduces the angle, allowing less fraying at that top camp. The peep sight is held in place by poorly tied factory knots. Better manufacturers leave these knots loose intentionally to allow for peep sight positioning before being firmly secured. This is easily fixed by moving them into position and then tying some proper knots. It does shoot fairly well. It is weighted nicely and produces a repeatable flight with good technique. Just look after it, especially if you don't have a large budget for repairs. The third product on our list is the Bear X Intense CD Ready-to-Shoot Crossbow. The Bear X Intense CD is an entry-level crossbow. It's very cheap, but very accurate. This crossbow comes as a ready-to-hunt package, and you'll be getting the following included with your crossbow: foot stirrup, illuminated scope, 4-arrow quiver, 3 Bear X True X arrows, rail lube, and some string wax. The Bear X Intense isn't a special crossbow. It doesn't have premium features like a 10-point crossbow, but it's made to be durable and easy to operate. One of the features that Bear installed is the finger guard. It protects your fingers from getting in between the string when you shoot this crossbow. This finger guard is double-sided and placed over the forearm grip. Even though it's a very basic stock, the Bear X Intense CD crossbow feels surprisingly comfortable to hold. The finger grips and forearm grips on the Bear X Intense are well made. If you're a hunter on a budget, the Bear X Intense is one of the better crossbows you can currently buy. It's a standard crossbow that delivers high accuracy and an insane speed of 400 feet per second. Nothing fancy, just a solid crossbow that shoots. Remember that we have the links in the description for all the products mentioned on this list, so don't forget to check them out. And at number 2 on the list is the Topoint Trigon Compound Bow. This compound bow is perfect for hunters who love sturdy and reliable compound bows for their hunting trips, whether they're beginners or experienced in the shooting. It has an axle-to-axle length of 31 inches. It can shoot arrows at impressive speeds of up to 320 feet per second. Thanks to its dual cam system, this bow doesn't demand a lot of maintenance work from its users. Also noteworthy is its draw weight ranging between 19 and 70 pounds. This allows you to take down a variety of targets, whether you're into small or large game hunting. The Topoint Trigon Compound Bow package is perfect for hunters who love sturdy and reliable compound bows for their hunting trips. It's made of aluminum that's known for its strength and durability, while its bow limbs are imported from the acclaimed Gordon composites. With these in mind, you know that you're getting a high-quality bow from this package. The best hunting bow for beginners is the Bear Archery Cruzer G2 Adult Compound Bow. Bear makes the best bows for beginner bow hunters, the Bear Cruzer G2 RTH. It's an adjustable and affordable bow that will comfortably fit nearly any archer, and with the RTH package, it comes with all the bow accessories you need. Just add a release aid and arrows to your cart to start shooting right away. Bear developed the Cruzer Gen 2 to fit all ages and skill levels. The bow is adjustable between 12 and 30 inches of draw length and draw weight, between 5 and 70 pounds. This adjustability makes it one of the best beginner compound bows. It feels excellent in hand. The grip is long, perfectly angled, narrow, and flat back. It promotes consistent hand placement, and I was thrilled the throat didn't dive too deep under the arrow shelf. The draw cycle is generally smooth, and the bow's 70% let-off doesn't take you by surprise. It also was immediately apparent the Bear Cruzer G2 was ready to hunt. This is a bow a shooter can grow with over time. As a young archer learns to shoot it effectively, their confidence will grow. They can enjoy the Bear Cruzer G2 for 5 or more years while developing skills to become accurate in the field. Thanks for watching. That's all for this video. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give us a like and hit that subscribe button. See you guys in the next video.